In this video here, we have a 2026 Chevy Equinox. It has a large hit right here in the left quarter panel. This vertical crease line goes right through the body line. There's a few complex things within this dent that we're going to work with. We have this buckle that's up at the top here where the metal's displaced and pushed upward. We have this vertical crease line that runs along through here. We have this body contour line, which is deep and sharp, that we have to rebuild and get that back up for the stability. But we also have this deep impact point as well. Here you can see we're doing a quick buff and polish to get all the scars and marking out of it the best that we can. That way when we go in here and we start doing our pushing like we're doing here now, we can see everything in the texture and the detail of the paint to make sure that we're pushing in the correct areas. Here we're using a leather tip blending hammer. And the purpose of this is to help us eliminate the ripples that was caused in the impact where all the metal was displaced. This is really a rinse and repeat method where we'll push the dent up, we go back and we knock highs down, which helps us get into those sharp low areas like you see here, the sharp vertical crease that we're pushing out. Remember how the damage was before we did anything with it, with this sharp vertical crease through the body line? And this is what we were able to accomplish using Paintless Dent Repair. If you have dents or dings similar to what we've shown here in this video, give us a call or a text message at 970-292-6817 or visit us on the web at kclcreations.com.